Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today we're doing some terracotta pot DIYs. This first one, I'm using 3 of these mini pots. Comes in a 3-pack from Dollar Tree, and I'm painting them in the color Outrageous Orange. This is just an acrylic paint. I wish I would have some sort of chalk paint at this point because I had to do a couple coats to finish this off. This was kind of glossy. It didn't stay as well. So definitely recommend to get a matte finish probably, or possibly, or maybe even just a chalk paint. Chalk paint always works the absolute best and it dries quick. So I just decided to paint 3 of these pots this outrageous orange color. So once that was done, we are going to start gluing. So I'm using my Gorilla Hot Glue Gun, and we are going to be putting glue in the bottom of these little pots, and I'm just shoving a little bit of napkin in there. You could do tissue paper, whatever you have on hand. I just didn't want these to completely go on top of each other, if that makes sense. I wanted them to stick out, so we are adding more hot glue to the bottom of this one, and then I'm going to be gluing it on to that napkin, and then I'm going to be repeating the step just one more time with that napkin along with the hot glue. And then we're going to be putting a napkin in the top as well. And I am doing a napkin video, so you're just going to see that it is that one ply. It is just the part that we did not need for that napkin. So anyways, once that was done, I decided to add in some greenery. This is from Walmart, and I am just adding some more glue to glue this in. We're making a cute little carrot, if you couldn't already tell. I think this turned out more cute than I expected.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall.
I'm going to be trying out this larger terracotta pot. This was $1.25, probably $1 when I bought them, or you can get them from Walmart for pretty inexpensive too. I'm also using a napkin from the Dollar Tree and taking that ply off, so it is just a 1 ply. So here we go. I'm using some Mod Podge, and I'm just going to be putting this all over the terracotta pot. I have such a love-hate relationship with Mod Podge and napkins because I always feel like glue sticks work a million times better, but I don't think that the glue stick would have worked out that well with a terracotta pot. But anyways, I'm just going to be adding that napkin right to the edges of this terracotta pot. I wonder how many times I'm going to say terracotta pot in this video. Probably a lot. This started to smooth out really nicely, and then it kind of got bumpy towards the back side. I was having some difficulty with this as usual because I am just not a professional decoupager. No matter how much I do, how much I try, there's just always some creases and some lines. But you know what? I think it gives it texture. I think it makes it fun, and I think this turned out really cute once it was dry.
Asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do.
So this is what it looks like when it is done. It is not perfect by any means, but it is still going to be super cute. So I'm adding one of those wooden bunnies from Dollar Tree right to the center of this, and then I decided to add some lavender inside, and this is from Walmart, and that is all I did for this. I think this actually turned out really cute once it was completely finished.
I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside.
Next, I'm using 3 of these, I'd say medium-sized pots from Dollar Tree. They come in a 2-pack. I don't know the specific sizes of these, but anyways, we're going to be using the color Celery by Waverly Chalk Paint, and I'm painting all three of these the same color.
And I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you.
I decided to use some rub-on transfers, so I'm cutting these completely apart. I wanted that farm fresh saying, and so I did cut that down and over the flowers, but I did keep everything else because you never know if you're going to end up piecing some rub-on transfers together. So this one is going to say farm fresh, and then we're going to do some flowers on one, and then we are going to be adding that You Are a Wildflower to the third pot.
Just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you.
One that says You Are a Wildflower, we're going to be adding some florals, whether these are wildflowers or not. I don't think it really matters. I think these are cute, and I had these on hand, so we're going to be throwing them into this pot. And I think it turned out really cute. The next one, I decided to go with some eggs. This is just the one that has the flowers on it. These mini eggs are from Dollar General, and they're only $1. So you're not paying that extra $1.25, and you get quite a few in this. I actually didn't even use a whole entire thing of these. These are the larger ones, and I still had some left over after this. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Next, we're going to be using the Farm Fresh one. I'm adding a napkin in there just to, you know, hold it down, not have to add too much greenery. This is just florals, or not florals, this is greenery or leaves that I had left over from the florals in the first one. And then I'm just adding some mini carrots. These are from Dollar Tree. Stick them where you like. And that is it for these. I think the three of these are so cute together. I have two of these smaller pots, once again, same size I used for the carrots, and I'm going to be painting both of them with the Waverly chalk paint in white. The pots were dry. I had these 3D bees and ladybugs, so I decided to add these to the sides of the pots. These are also from Dollar Tree. They have sticky backings on them, so you can just take the little backing off, and they stay really, really well. I haven't had any fall off so far. I don't know how it'll work later on, but so far so good. So I decided to add the bees around the edge. I wanted them to be just a little bit different, not the same, but then I realized the bottom of this pot was pretty empty, so I decided to use some rub-on transfers. These are just the fun cactus ones that they've always had, so I just added a cactus, a succulent, and then another cactus along the bottom. I love using rub-on transfers, so any chance that I get, I have to use them. And then I just added some leaves to this. I think these leaves are actually from Dollar General. I'm not 100% sure, but you can get greenery from absolutely anywhere. I idea is using this medium-sized terracotta pot. We're going to call it the medium-sized one, same as the green ones, painting it in the Waverly chalk paint in white. Once that was done, we're going to use a cute little bunny butt from Dollar Tree. This came in a 6-pack, I think, so I still have quite a few left over, but I thought that this would be really cute sticking out of a pot. So this is what it looks like, and it works and looks really good with this size terracotta pot. Like I said, 2-pack from Dollar Tree, and I just glued the bottom and then just tucked it in the back side, or like the inside of the pot. Added some florals from Dollar Tree, and then of course that bottom looks a little sad, so we have to add some ribbon, and I just hot glued it, and that is that. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love you to consider sticking around and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!